In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Square account to Magento. This is after you've already installed the Square extension to your Magento environment. Square uses an OAuth verification process to connect Square accounts to e-commerce platforms, so I'll walk you through what this looks like. So two windows you'll need open. One is your Square account and your Square dashboard, as well as your Magento admin dashboard. So to start out, you'll need a Square merchant account. Just go to squareup.com and sign up for an account there. From there, you'll go to squareup.com/developers. Click on Developer Dashboard, and here you'll create a new application specifically for your Magento website. So find New Application. I'm going to name this Magento Website 1 and create application. And to note that application name is not visible to anyone but the admin. So this is not a customer-facing field. Okay, so I've created my application. Let's keep this window open. I'm going to navigate back to the Magento dashboard. So I've already installed my Square extension. To get to the configuration page, I'll go down to Stores, Configuration, Square, and Square Configuration. So this is the page where I'll be matching various bits of information from my Square developer portal over to the Magento dashboard on this configuration page. So let's start filling this out. So we need the Square application ID that is found right here. I'm under my Magento Website 1 app. I'm going to copy this application ID and paste it back in the Magento site. I now need my Square application secret, so let's go back to the Square portal. The application secret can be found if you navigate over here to OAuth. I'll show the application secret and copy it. I'm going back to the Magento dashboard to then paste it here. The Square location, this will be one of our final steps, so we'll skip that for now. What we want now is, right here, the Magento dashboard gives me a redirect URL, which I want to copy. I'll navigate back to the Square developer portal and paste that redirect URL here and click Save. So back over on the Magento dashboard, I have my application ID and application secret input up here. I have this redirect URL input back in the Square developer portal. So now I'm going to click Get OAuth Token. This will ask me to sign back into my Square account as a verification step. Okay, there was an issue here, so I need to go back and save. I believe I need to save my configuration before I move forward. Okay. So in here I have the application ID and the Square application secret. I'm going to save this. All right, that's saved. We're not quite done yet. So I already pasted this redirect URL given here back in the Square developer portal. So now we're ready to get the OAuth token. Square will ask you to sign into your account again as a verification step. Let's do that. All right, so if this was my very first time using my Square merchant account to sign in, this would have brought me to a permissions page. Because the Magento system needs to get access to various data points within your Square merchant account. So you just accept those permissions. Because I've already used this merchant account before, it has not asked me to grant those permissions. So it has skipped to this page where you're selecting your Square location that you want connected to your Magento account. I will choose Square Magento Online Store and click Save. Great, now I can close this window. Back on the Magento dashboard page, first I'll save the configuration. Then I'll need to manually select my Square location here, which will be Square Magento Online Store, and save my configuration again. Okay, so now my Square account is connected to my Magento environment. There is one other step pertaining to webhooks. So down here in this section, we see that the Magento dashboard has given me a webhook URL. I'm navigating back to my Square developer portal, navigating to webhook section, click enable, and paste the URL here. Great, now it's been saved. I'll need to add my Square signature in this field. So let's go back to the Square developer portal. I'll show the signature key, copy the signature key, paste it back in the Magento page under Square signature. Now I'll click subscribe webhooks. Webhook subscribe, close, and save configuration. So now your Square account is connected to your Magento environment through these steps. In the next video, we'll show you how to configure the different syncs that are part of this extension, including customer, catalog, inventory, and transaction syncs.